Hello there, welcome back. Who's ready for this video? But before we get started, first person to find the secret word in the last video was For this video I will be hiding another secret word in this video. Today's video only kids can hear this sound. To start, everyone should be able to hear this sound. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Comment if you heard sound 1. Here we go. Round 2. Young adults should be able to hear this. Comment yes or no if you heard this. Here we go, final round. Did you hear that? Leave a comment if you did or didn't. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell to be notified as soon as I upload a video. Also make sure you like this video.